Hello everybody on YouTube, this is an unboxing video of Battlefield 4 for the Xbox One. This is actually the first game I got for the Xbox One. I'm getting the Xbox One tomorrow. I decided that I would get a game and controller first before I would get the system. I actually got this after maybe Christmas of last year, right after the system came out. So I don't know what comes in here. Well, obviously the game comes in here, but I don't know if there's any codes for anything or any things that expired already. So that would be pretty bad if stuff expired. If anything that expired would expire for this. Because I actually, with that, I got a code for a free month of Xbox Live, and I already used that. So this has a lot of stuff on it. It has the Kinect Motion, Kinect Voice, which I'll be able to do that tomorrow because I'm getting the Kinect, because I looked it up online that the Assassin's Creed bundle is still available where I live. So this game is rated M for blood and gore, intense violence, and strong language. So I'm sorry that it's kind of because the game's kind of ripped up a little bit, because I had a guitar case thing for the games. Well, it was supposed to be for CDs, but I don't really use CDs. I don't really have I don't really play CDs anymore because I have an iPad and an iPhone, which I'm actually recording this on an iPhone. I'm just gonna put this down for a second. Now for the big reveal of the game. There's the game. Pre-order Titanfall. Yeah, well, don't really need this because, well, the game already came out. And I might get this at some point, but I'm thinking, because I want to get GTA 5 for the Xbox One so I can record stuff. Let's see, what is this? Just making sure there's no codes. Don't know what this is. I think it's just... Okay. I'll just lay that in there. And I'm probably going to put the Battlefield 4 thing back in. course, this took 5 minutes just to do this. Alright, well, follow me on Twitter at TyStorm94. And thanks for watching. Comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you want. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.